Hi, this is Justin at RGBlink here at InfoComm 26 for the show, and a couple of new products here to show you. Let's start off with the Ystreamer, brand new from RGBlink. It's our take on a modern capture card with dual 4K 60 HDMI inputs, those with loop as you can see, and allow you to put both those 4K signals onto a single USB-C 10 gig connection for capture into your computing platform. So an OBS from a single cable, you can get two 4K signals over USB. Those USB ports are of course very precious, so being able to maximize the injection of video on those is really important. Adding more over and above just a straight capture, we've added a studio mic connection there with the phantom power, a line in, and then on the front side you can see we've also added simple controls for the podcasters to enable them to have the fingertip control of their sources. And these touchpad buttons here are programmable, so you can add effects, or maybe it's an intro music or something like this for very much tactile and easy controls without having to use the computer. Learn all about Ystreamer and new products from RGBlink, www.rgblink.com.